Money Muzzle YouTube channel to grow richer, smarter and stronger. To grow smarter, richer and stronger, subscribe this channel. Today's theme you can consider it is in mind or money because we are going to develop a startup idea from scratch to website you can say because we are using ChatGPT. How to develop an idea? Let's get into it. Okay, we enter into ChatGPT. Let's ask, hello, suggest me some problem statement to work on as a startup. Here we got here we got some ideas. High demand problem areas. AI for small business automation. Small business lack affordable tools to automate customer services, invoicing, or lead generation solution. Build an AI assistant tailored for small business to automate repetitive tasks. 1. Climate tech for urban household. Problem. Urban dwellers want to reduce their carbon footprint but lack practical tools or data. Solution. A smart app that track personal household emissions and suggests tailored actions to offset. Mental health support for Gen Z. I think it is needed. Problem. Rising mental health issues among young adults with poor access to affordable therapy. Solution. An anonymous peer support platform using AI for triage and mental health journaling. Digital identified and credential verification. Hyperlocal B2B supply chain. Small retailers or restaurants have poor visibility and pricing from local suppliers. A digital B2B marketplace that connects local producers directly with the small retailers. Okay, out of all these, I am feeling like mental health support for Gen Z. It's a promising area. So I am taking three. So I am writing here first. Let's write like I am interested to work on this. So what output it will give? Great choice. Mental health for Gen Z is a high impact space. Gen Z experiences high levels of stress, anxiety, and depression, stigma, cost, access. Now, solution overview. Platform, anonymous mental health support app. Core features, AI powered triage. Detect emotional distress levels from user input. Text or audio we can use. Mental health journaling, private journaling space with mood tracking and prompts. Peer support chat rooms. Anonymous chat rooms are one-on-one text conversation moderated by trained peers. Crisis escalation path. Integration with the professional helplines and therapists for high-risk cases. Gamified mental health toolkit. Exercise for mindfulness, CBT, techniques, daily challenges. So these are the things it suggested. Technology stack. We need front end, React native mobile first, backend. So we need to backend complete coding is needed. AI, open AI for journaling, analysis, sentiment, and coherent database file store. Okay. Monetization ideas. Premium model. Basic access is free. Premium for guided therapist modules. So it is like a free plus paid. Both will be there. So who need a special concern, care and therapy support, they will go for the premium. B2B offer wellness dashboards or to universities or workplaces. Affiliate partnership with certified therapists or mental health products. Great. Our MVP is landing page, waitlist, journaling interface with AI mood tracker, anonymous peer support chat room, basic AI triage bot. So now we got one overall idea. What we going to do next? Next, what we going to do is first we go into the market. Who are the major competitors in this area? So The mental health tech space, especially for Gen Z and peer support oriented model, there are several notable competitors and adjacent players here. Breakdown. Direct competitor Talk Life. Whether we can take any one from this, let's take mental health journaling tracking. So I prefer this. Okay, let's get into the work. Okay, Talk Life. These guys are peer-to-peer mental health support. Features anonymous community, wanting spaces, professional moderation, targeting adults and students, strengths, long-standing brand in peer support, partnerships with the universities. That's great. Weaknesses, limited AI features, consistent support quality. Okay. Inconsistent support quality. Seven cups, emotional support via trained volunteer listeners. Okay. One-to-one chats, community forums, self-help groups, teens and adults. Not Gen Z native in UX. Some complaints about inactive listeners. Okay. It's not much. Visa. AI chatbot for mental wellness. It's a CBT based conversation, mood tracking exercises. Something good. Replica. AI company. There are around seven. We don't need to read everything. Let's get into work. Key gaps you can target. Lack of AI based triage. Use GPT based analysis to suggest next step or alert moderators. No true anonymity in most platforms. Blockchain or pseudonymous models to ensure safety. Shallow journaling tools add AI that reflects back insights and connects modes to events. Gen Z native UX is rare. Use meme styles, prompts, stories, emojis, dark. Give me clear USP for my startup. Absolutely. Based on your concept, anonymous peer support from platform for Gen Z using AI for triage and journaling. Here's a clear and compelling unique selling proposition. USP is very important for any startup. So let's get into the USP statement. The first Gen Z focused AI powered mental health platform that combines anonymous peer support, emotional journaling, and real time mood triage all in one safe, stigma free space. Breakdown of the USP component Gen Z. First design UI or UX that feels like a social app, not clinical, with the memes that first interface dark mode gamification. Most competitors feel sterile or outdated. Okay. AI based emotional triage, real time analysis of journal entries or charts to detect emotional distress and recommended steps. Most platforms lack intelligent triage. Okay. Let's get into it how to build these things. Anonymous peer to peer support. Chat anonymously with the trained peers in a moderated space, unlike therapy only apps or unmoderated forums builds trust accessibility. AI enhanced journaling, not just writing, the AI reflects on your mood trends, suggests patterns, and gives actionable insights, makes journaling interactive. Crisis aware with a real escalation, seamless bridge. Okay, whatever. Let's focus on the main thing. Bonus differentiation you can highlight in making marketing or pitch. Privacy first, stigma free, no personal data required to use the app. Anonymous by design. Yes. Daily mental fitness prompts, personalized journaling questions or CBT based nudges based on your mood. B2B, B2C angle offer. Let me know if you want to turn this into one liner for your landing page or refine it for a pitch deck. Now, first let's understand bit more about our startup. So, we here when we see our breakdown of USP, from here we can build complete step by step plan. First, let's get into this. How should we create our UI or UX? See here first UI or UX design principle for Gen Z mental health app. Use color psychology, dark mode by default. How we need to design user interface. Social app vibe, not clinical. Gamification but gentle. Mood streaks. You have tracked your mood 5 days in a row. Badges for journaling, supporting others, or reflecting. Can I add? Can I add community building? This app, anonymous, which is anonymous, but they can chat. This is my idea to add on. Yes, and you absolutely should. Anonymous community building is one of the most powerful and sticky features you can add, especially for Gen Z. If done right, it creates emotional safety, peer validation, and written engagement without the fear of being judged. That's great. Why add anonymous community feature? Gen Z often prefers text first, asynchronous, non identifiable social spaces. Anonymity reduces stigma and helps people open up about struggles, community. Yes. So, whatever we thought, it is good. Ideas for community build up, anxiety help, late night thoughts, whatever. Some groups, so they can join and chat. Upvote React system, Reddit use users can react with emojis. Upvote. Okay, how they will decide means how they will react. It's up to them. Their community they can. AI moderated safe zones. Use NLP to detect hate speech. Yes. See, even while chatting, when I was thinking about adding communities, I was thinking about it. This will be the must. So this is must we need to add because they are already mentally unstable. If some kind of hate speech or crisis language or trolling is happened, one person others target one person. So AI should moderate it. It should either delete or remove that person from that community whoever uses the hate speech or crisis language. In this way, we can protect the people. Features are no usernames, no open DMs, empirical post, modern, consent first. Ask for permission before sharing anything. Yeah, perfect. So we build a user interface with a community now. It is not for one to one, not only for one to one. There you can join any community and you can share your feelings, struggles, your story with a group of people and they give you their opinion. So it is perfect. Next, let's go to AI based emotional triage. What it is? Actually, I don't know what is the meaning of triage. Still working on it. How to build it? Just that's it. Now, see, it will give you everything again. What is emotional triage? Real time classification of user input, journal entries, chat messages into emotional states stressed, depressed, anxious, suicidal, neutral, improving, and routing them to appropriate next steps. System architecture overview, user input, NLP model, emotional state prediction, action. So, this is an algorithm step by step as people in text them as people text their messages, our model will read those wordings and it will predict and it will react. It will suggest. Let's see what kind of suggested actions. Define emotional labels. It will be label level 1, level 0, neutral, positive, encourage reflection or gratitude. Level 1, mild stress or anxiety, recommended breathing, journaling. Level 2, sad, low mood, prompt for support room or talk to someone. Level 3, crisis or risk, escalate to emergency resources or trained peer or helper. So this is very perfect. See how well it organized. Don't cut this video. There is a big surprise at the end. So to see it, you need to watch till the end. Okay? Choose your NLP stack. First MVP. Most viable product. Use OpenAI GPT 4.5 or Cloud. with the prompt engineering, prompt coding, more customs are scalable because I don't know coding. I'm just completely rely on ChatGPT. So we just need to modify. Once our work is done, we'll give this to another AI tool. So it will generate complete work for us. Just wait. More customer scalable. Collect and label the data. So we need to collect and label the data. We need to do some surveys. Based on the surveys, we can get a proper data. Then we do the validation. After the validation, we can incorporate those things into our NLP. Then we will test the data. Once testing is done, we can launch our app. See, decision engine. This is the code. See, complete code is given by ChatGPT. We no need to learn from scratch. Means coding and all. Only thing is you need to understand if risk level is equal to 3 root to crisis support. So it will go to the trainer, professional. It supports some kind of activities. Let's build some activities in our app itself. So it will help them to choose fast. Feedback loop for accuracy. Let users rate the AI response. Yes, we need to check our AI also how well it works. So we need a feedback system. Optional enhancement. Feature mood trend over time. Store emotional stores per entry and chart them weekly. Multimodal triage. Early warning alerts. Contextual suggestions. So we need so it is anonymous, so we can't add any mentor there. Problem is from anyone from their family. So we need to make this app like it is completely anonymous. Individual maximum try to get better within himself. No one no need to know until unless it is emergency. Okay, let's hope our algorithm works fine. And whatever the certifications we need to take, we'll ask further. To launch this application app, what are the certifications I need to take? So, launching mental health app, especially one involving AI and emotional support, means you are entering sensitive and regulated space. The certifications you need depend on your target market, US, India, and app features, and whether you are climbing to official clinical support or just wellness or peer support. Let's break it. Okay, if you are not providing clinical care, yes, I'm not providing any clinical care. If your app is framed as a wellness tool, not a medical or therapy service, you can usually launch without needing medical certifications. So we are safe here. Classification standard purpose notes. Privacy policy terms and conditions, legal requirements in all must mention how user data is handled. GDPR compliances, EU user data privacy needed if you collect the personal data from EU users. Let's make it clear. Making this app specially for Indians, outsiders can use it. Perfect. Thanks for class. Since you are building this app primarily for Indian users, your legal privacy and compliance response shift slightly, but outsiders can still use it if you handle basic international data regulation. Yes, this we can follow. Basic things we can follow. Legal and certification needed for launching in India. You can launch without medical certification as long as you don't offer diagnosis or therapy yourself. You are clearly providing peer support and plus AI assisted journaling. You don't claim it to treat, cure, or diagnose mental health conditions. Yes, perfect. Requirement, privacy policy, India DP Act. I don't know. We need to. India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. Okay. User consent before storing data. Explicit. I agree. Okay, we'll do this. Disclaimer. Not medical advice. Required to avoid legal claims and okay, these things we done. What if non-Indians use the app? You can allow global access as long as you meet the basic data protection laws. EU, France, Germany, etc. must comply with the GDPR, very strict. Okay. California needs CCPA compliance. Other US states. Okay. Optical but powerful add-ons. Ethical AI policy. Okay, these are optional. If we need, slowly we can add these certifications. TL checklist for India focused mental health app. Privacy policy explicit. These are the checklist. Now, would you like me to help you draft a privacy policy, create concept? Not now. Let's focus on something. Get into it. How much it costs to me to build? Cost we need to check because whether we are afford to do it or not. So build a phase. It suggested three phases: MVP, minimum viable product. Minimum viable product itself takes 3 to 8 lakhs. Basic app, launch ready. Then full version V1, scalable with AI plus community. This integrating AI will help and gives an edge, but AI is expensive, 10 to 25 lakhs. Long term scale plus growth, 30 lakhs. Phase 1. So it given break. Means stage wise. Launch with core features, journaling, mood tracking, basic AI insights, anonymous peer chat. We can take a collaboration with the ChatGPT because we don't need to develop complete software. We can outsource this AI insights, so it is less expensive. We just need to pay subscription base. It reduces the cost. We'll talk about it later. Core features to build: anonymous journaling and plus mood tracker, AI-based emotional triage, basic GPT or prompt model, peer support chat rooms, Gen Z friendly UI, dark mode, consent screen, basic privacy policy. So this is the cost. App design. This this cost 50,000 to 1.2 lakhs. Front end development, cross platform mobile app 1 to 2.5 lakhs. Back end development, journaling chart, AI hooks, AI integration, GPT-4. So this like this the cost was divided. Now, add-ons, advanced AI traits, custom NLP models, AI reflections, multi-language support. Maybe in the latter stage we can add multi-language because some people may need means some people may not educated, still they have some personal problems. They can instead of chatting, they can use voicemail. So we can better to integrate multi-language support, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, whatever the language. So it is easy for them to use. You will likely need, but mostly this psychological problems comes to the people who study a lot. AI cost breakdown: GPT-4 OpenAI 1k tokens. This cost we need to check later. Claude, Gemini API, similar rates. Okay, let's go to GPT only because GPT we understand. Means whatever the language we use, it will understand, it will correct, and it will react mostly. So I believe in ChatGPT. I'm working on it also. Cost savings tips: use React Native Flutter for single code base. Start with a GPT based AI via API. Same, it also suggested what we were thinking. Not fine tuned custom models. Use Firebase for anonymous youth database real time chat. Okay. Optional on-go chart cost. It is okay, not this. Example budget for 6 month MP. See, it is telling within 6 months we need to complete it. For that we need this much of money. 6 to 7 lakh. How to get money? You want that video also? Don't worry. We'll make it. Would you like a free Google Sheet template to budget your project? No. We'll see it later. How long it will take to get break even? Great question. So MVP development takes 3 to 4 months. User acquisition starts immediately post launch 6 to 12 months. Monetization kickoff after 6 months of growth. Break even point typically 12 to 24 month post launch. User growth and retention. Gen Z is highly engaged with community and peer support apps if the UX is smooth. Aim for 10,000 plus active monthly users within 6 to 9 months. Retention rate of 30 to 40% after 30 days is good benchmark. Okay. Subscription 100 to 300 rupees per month for premium content or community features. Okay, this is also good. Operating cost, hosting, AI, API cost, moderation, updates around 30k to 80k per month. Post MVP, marketing spend 50k plus monthly initially. So initial investment around 6 lakhs. MVP plus launch. Monthly operating cost 50,000. Monthly revenue goal 80,000. Monthly net profit 30,000. At this rate, break even 8 to 12 months after monetization starts. If growth is slower, monetization 18 to 24 months. It will take time for initially because it's we are making this app application for people who are suffering with a mental health condition. Maybe some people use this app. Maybe some people won't use. But as the results come, people start liking it. Then people suggest to then people start using it much often because 300 rupees, see whatever the subscription price we kept here, 100 to 300 is quite less for mental health condition. Even that medication takes a lot of money, but we are providing one-to-one peer support and professional support and community also. And we are providing everything in anonymous, nobody going to know. So even we increasing the subscription price 500 per month, still we going to survive. Okay. When how much profit I may gain from calculate it from my competitors. Okay, let's understand what is the market value. See here, your those subscription plus corporate tie-ups estimated at 1 million to 3 million. 5 lakhs plus active users are there. So it's not less. Visa Global Premium plus 10 million. 2 million users are there. So it have potential to grow. So your potential user base and pricing. Active users year one 20,000 to 50,000. Convenience 3 to 5%. Monthly subscription price 150 rupees, $2. Monthly operating cost 50,000. Separate revenue calculations. Metric low estimate, high estimate. Paid user 3%, 600 to 1500 we can earn. Estimated annual profit, we can make approximately 4.8 lakhs to 21 lakhs per annum. In year 2, it will go to 90 lakhs annual revenue. So you guys can see over within 1 year from 21 lakhs to 80 lakhs means it increased 4 times. In the next year it will increase another 4, then it is good, but I believe I can't go just see the big dreams. Maybe it have a potential to reach 1 or 2 crores per annum because we can see this your dost in Indian company, it is your dost 1 million US dollar means it's too much, right? 10 lakhs dollars into 100, 10 lakh 1 CR. So around 10 CR they are making annually. So we can expect around 3 crores minimum after 3 years. So this is a complete revenue model we made. Now I am showing you that magic. What name should I keep it? Suggest me a name for this startup. Okay guys, you suggest which name should be good? I'm thinking SoulSpace. I think it's perfect. Is an awesome choice. It feels warm, inviting, and perfectly captures the idea of safe, personal mental space with the community vibes. Plus, it resonates well with Gen Z. If you want, I can help you with a catchy tagline. Um, Tagline? Yeah, give me. Yes, just type yes. It will give you taglines. Where your soul finds its space, connect anonymously, heal authentically. Yes, this one is perfect. This one looks more perfect. Love that line. Feel seen, feel heard, feel soul space. It's simple, emotional, and perfectly fits your brand vibe. If you want, I can help you design a logo concept. Now I'm going to build a website, whatever we discussed so far. Let's see it. Give me a prompt for this starter soul space to build website by using Lovable. What did given? Give me a concise. Yeah, here we got concise prompt. SoulSpace is an anonymous mental health app for Gen Z that offers peer support, AI, emotional triage, journaling, and mood tracking. The site should feel warm, friendly, and social like a modern, relatable app with a non-critical vibe. Use bright but calming colors and casual language. Key pages. Home. Feel seen, feel heard, feel home, soul space, features, soul circle, they are whatever. Okay, let's copy it. Control C. Let's get into lovable. Let's copy our prompt here. Get into it. Scanning a preview. It's creating voice. Just wait for a minute to see the magic. See, love, what an amazing concert. Sounds like exactly what Gen Z needs. Nice. I will implement in this first version. Yeah, websiting getting ready. Once it is ready, after that, step by step, we can change. Even we develop an apps website, the 8 lakhs cost is not going to need it. Within 20 to within 1 lakh, we can build complete application by using some subscriptions monthly. So if we have 3 lakhs investment, we're going to start this. If anybody interested, damn in the comment section. If anybody interested, it taking some time. It will give you very good website. You can see the preview slowly. Okay, guys, you was till this long means you interested my this content. So I'm expecting you guys subscribed already. Are you going to subscribe this channel? But this kind of content I will give you continuously. This content is just a tip of the iceberg. Tip of the iceberg. To know more my introduction, I'm working to build around 3 to 4 startups. Those also have similar potential. I don't want to share about those startups just like this because I don't want to reveal much about them. But they also have similar potential and some of them already started working. If you want to know more about them also, you can comment in the chat. As I told in my previous video, patience is the key. See here, we need to wait little longer until it finishes complete website making. You will be surprised with the interface because I have made few apps, few websites already with the help of this. I have created a beautiful, yes, it is done. Beautiful comprehensive SoulSpace landing page that, yes, we got it. See guys, whatever we have discussed so far, we can update here. This is SoulSpace features about community where I can contact. We can build the community here. Now available for Gen Z mental health support. Feel seen, feel heard, feel SoulSpace. Anonymous mental health support designed for Gen Z. Connect with the peers. Track your mood, journal your thoughts, and get AI powered emotional support all in a safe, judgment free space. It is available for iOS and Android. 100% anonymous, 24 by 7 support is there. So, sir, I just wanted to say that everyone here gets it. You are not alone in feeling overwhelmed. Yeah, this is everything you need for emotional mental health and journey. Built by Gen Z for Gen Z. Millennial? Still, I will keep one Gen Z in my group. No updated approaches, no clinical coldness, just tools that actually work for how we live and feel. Soul Circle, journals, Soul Sense AI, Vibe Check, ready to feel supported, mental health support that actually gets you. Our mission to create a judgment free zone where Gen Z can get a real mental health support without the stigma, writing a list, waiting list, or clinical coldness or traditional therapy. Every feature, every interaction, every word is designed with empathy, understanding, and genuine care for your well being because you deserve support that feels as real and authentic as you are. See, before starting, we got Gen Z users 1 lakh and we got 94.9 app store rating. This was just created. We can change. This is just a front end, static website just to show it. We can get a code and we can edit. You see, this is the code. A programmer takes around 1 2 weeks to build this, but this AI created it within 10 minutes. So our mission is there. Your privacy is our priority. Privacy is there. Find your soul circle. Join anonymous support. So this is how we encourage everyone to use our app. Questions we have got answers. Is SoulSpace really anonymous? Yes, it is. So, perfect, right? No need to break your head to build a website or think about colors. What color should I use? What logo should I keep? Yes, logo ChatGPT is there. We can create logo. So this is the overall app. Website interface, app interface also we can build. There are some other AI tools. If you want to know about them, just type. Okay, that's it, guys, for today. You want to see about community, facts, contact. Everything is here. A complete website. And you can download our app from here. But for that, I need to publish. No, I'm not doing this now because we need a lot of changes need to be done before launching it. Don't get surprised if I launch this startup also. Thank you. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is complete development of a startup from scratch to end. We saw from ChatGPT to Lovable how we developed it. We just need some money and a few people who are capable of converting this idea and this program into an application and some data we need. That's it. So we're going to be like that. You can use AI for building startups, businesses, and everything. Thank you.